Right then, this is one of my old aeroplanes. I haven't flown it for a while, for quite some time with the weather. That's a 4-stroke engine. We're going to strip that and see what makes it tick, but not at the moment. The first job is to get all this stuff off, because my little girl here, that's it. There's a little, oh, cold. Wait your neck. There's a little bit on the heavy side. So, we might put a smaller engine in, but I doubt it. I quite like the sound of that. But we're going to take off all the covering off the plane. I might not do the tailplane because it's not hollow, but I could drill some holes in that to lighten it. And this is what I'm going to drill it with. This thing, I haven't used one before, so we shall see. And we will cut holes in the aeroplane, either with that or some cheap old thingies I got from the cheap shop. Right, and there's my little boy coming in to see me, isn't it, dude? He is a lovely old boy, isn't you? You're a good boy, yes, dude. Yeah. Is it raining out there? It's a bit wet. Is it wet in there? Is it wet? Oh, you're a lovely boy, ain't you? You're a good boy. And the other noise you can hear is a little girl, but she's in season. We don't want pups because she's too young. Anyway, one 4-stroke engine. One could have got away with a smaller one than that. That would have saved a bit. Electrics, all the controls. That's the receiver. Switch on and off. Still power in the battery. And 2 servos there. The battery is actually in there, on top of that lot there. I don't know if you can see, but there's a fuel tank in there. It's got to come out. I might drill a hole in it, and you can see this one's had quite a lot of repairs done, especially at this end. So, if I drill a few holes in that, and then recover it and possibly spray it, whew, it's cold. It should get a lot lighter. So we'll work on this one a little bit more, and I'll make a couple of little videos just to show you how much I'm going to destroy it. Yeah, I put a huge wheel on the back. Yeah, which has probably got to be bent and twisted yet to the right shape, because I kept getting bogged down in longish grass. So I've put a bigger wheel. It's all got to be lined up and fiddled with yet, but we shall see. So, that's the engine that's going to take it up. It does fly it, but it takes a lot of runway to get it up. And when I weighed it, I saw why. There's the wing there. That's a Muscat or whatever. And the wing is a bit of a dodgy state, so I might uncover that when we do it. And that's it for now. More will be on its way. But now we'll strip it and drill holes in it. And see how much lighter we can make it. It's nearly 2 kilos of the engine on and all the gear in it, batteries and all. So, this is 4 3/4 pound nearly. No, 4.5, nearly 4.5 pound. See if we can get half a pound off it, that'll make a big difference. Don't quite know how I'm going to do that, but we shall see what can be done. Right, talk to you soon. Bye.